goes there. Make sure you have a sample in there. This is what the software looks like on the main screen. So for this one we want to go operation, and then this machine is only for carbon 14, but you can get carbon 14 or tritium or both depending on the model of the oxidizer. This one's only carbon 14, so that's the only option. And here you can select a time. You can say how many ladles per vial, so this is the ladles with the sample on it. So for this analysis we've been doing 6 ladles into 1 vial. So all we do is, if we're happy with that, we'll reduce the time so it's quicker and you can see it move. Okay, and then we just hit start process. And you can see underneath it's moving back the ladle.
yeah.
So right now it's trying to find out where it is by referencing the positions. So the ladle will pull back and it'll find out where it is on this kind of X and Y axis, and it'll do the same with the vial cone as well. Okay, and then shoot, once we finish, there you go. Make sure the gas is on. So it's nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, so here it goes to the first position. It'll dispense the cocktail. First it's doing a leak check to make sure that the vial is there, so it doesn't dispense into nothing. There's something for it to collect the chemical. Chemical comes from there.
Recovery rate depends on completion time.
Combustion time, temperature, gas flow, sample mass, lots of things. And then you'll see it'll start to move the samples to get burned. And then this is the plots where you can measure the gas coming out of the oxidizer. So this is when the chemical went in, and then it moved on to the sample. And then this blue line, if you have any sample there, it should start going down as it gets burned, but we put nothing on it, so it's not really burning anything at the moment. It's bubbling the gases through the cocktail, so it's trying to trap any of the CO2 that's in the sample. Then moves on to the next one. So you can tell it to do 6 samples into one, or you could tell it to do 1 ladle per 1 vial. Yeah.
Individual.
Yeah. And the whole idea of this is it's automated, so you don't need to manually add each one.
Yeah.
Normally we say like 5 minutes is like a good sort of burn time, depending on the mass and everything.
这点要它的样子进来，先去冲洗，冲到那里，然后再用酸碱平冲的冲出来到那里，说它第一步先进入自己，第二步再进入。是不是比较好？是不是？这个有私事。海关安什么？买不来，我们不拿我们就把它关起来。这样子不行，我是想那是就安的，
今天讲，您又跟我今天讲，现在讲。
Any more questions?
No, you know. Yeah.
It's quite simple.
Yeah. I have to read the manual.
Yeah. This is what it looks like inside. So the ladle comes in here, burns it in this combustion zone, and then there's a platinum catalyst, and there's also the copper oxide, and this converts any of the carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide, and then it gets trapped. So the amine solution can only trap carbon dioxide, so it needs to convert it into that. This is the air inlet, so when it sits like that inside the machine, this is zone 1, which is 900, and this is zone 2, which is 700.
No.
Yeah.
If this is catalyst zone more than higher, better than oxide.
It damages the catalyst. Copper
damage.
oxide doesn't like anything over like 750 or 800. It doesn't like it. It just starts to destroy the catalyst, so it needs to be a colder zone than the combustion zone.
I think this product is made by your company. I think so. Already you have time to teach us how to use it. This is training us because this is our product maker. I have some project in China, but I don't know how to really sell it. Yeah, I think you will some time to training us. So, I reach